Okay folks, today we're going to do a quick how to get your Prius key battery out. Okay, so you can push there. First thing you do, get the mechanical key out. Show you that again. First thing you got to do is you got to push right there. Mechanical key comes out. Then you're going to want to flip it over, and you see that little groove there. You're going to need flathead screwdriver. You just get it right in there. You just pop it, and you can just open it up. Okay, now we should be able to. Okay, and then there's your little battery. It's a CR1632 lithium-ion battery. Okay, good. That's the battery you'd replace. So that's how you open up and replace your Prius key fob. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.